Well, spitting in public places is not only disgusting, but it could also lead to further spread of COVID-19. An incident in Malleshwaram on Thursday spread fear and panic among residents in the area as a man went on a spitting spree. Many raised concerns about the incident, and the BBMP has promised to take action against such people. Take a look.
Man goes on a spitting spree in Malleshwaram. On Thursday, a man in Malleshwaram hit the headlines for all the wrong reasons. The man spread panic in the area after he went on a spitting spree. At a time when the entire world is battling COVID-19, spitting could prove costly.
Spitting is indeed an age-old habit. I grew up seeing spitting everywhere. My parents' generation, my grandparents' generation. India as a country has tolerated this habit of spitting. And now more than ever before is the time for us to realize that it's not just a disgusting habit, but it's a habit that is dangerous and it spreads disease. We have not been able to get over the hang-up of tuberculosis in the country, the problem of tuberculosis. This is the time where we need to make the connection with everyone who spits, that spitting spreads disease. So it's literally now or never for India to be able to get over this problem.
No spitting in public places. As a resident, how can one tackle this issue?
There was lots said about wearing masks, using hand sanitizer, washing hands, but nowhere was spitting mentioned. And in that first couple of weeks, we were, washing hands a lot more. In 1 hour, if I washed my hand 5 times, I could out of my window look and see people on the street, 20 different people spitting during that same time. And that's when it hit me that there is this lacuna in the whole prevention strategy. And right from middle of March, 20th of March is when we took out a petition to the Prime Minister. The petition really picked up support. We had 41,333 signatures across the country in a short time. So it's with a huge sigh of relief we see that in the 15th April Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines, spitting is listed under the National Directive of Preventive Measures as a punishable offence.
How can people educate people around them against spitting?
So spitting is now a punishable offence and that puts it in the national spotlight. But we have to move from enforcement to awareness and self-discipline. The country has to evolve so that the spitting habit is first of all exposed for a habit that spreads disease. So how do we do this? There's 2 kinds of people who spit. There are some who chew pan and therefore they spit, and there are others who just spit because they believe that there's nothing wrong with spitting. So the first part is the awareness that we have to get everyone who spits to understand that spitting spreads disease.
Spitting in public places is an offence. Violators can be booked under NDMA, Ministry of Home Affairs. Spitting in public without caring 2 hoots for regulations may not be so easy now with the Union Home Ministry making the act a punishable offence under the strict National Disaster Management Act in its revised guidelines for lockdown issued on Wednesday to contain COVID-19. The guidelines issued by the ministry have also made wearing a face mask in public places mandatory. Spitting in public is an offence under the municipal laws in various cities, but it is hardly taken seriously by the people in the country. ICMR's appeal to general public. Chewing smokeless tobacco products, gutka, pan masala with tobacco, pan and other chewing tobacco products, and areca nut supari increases the production of saliva followed by a very strong urge to spit. Spitting in public places could enhance the spread of COVID-19 virus. In view of the increasing danger of COVID-19 pandemic, it is an appeal to the general public to refrain from consuming smokeless tobacco products and spitting in public places during the COVID-19 epidemic. Meanwhile, when questioned, the Chief Health Officer of the BBMP also said that action would be taken against those found spitting in public places.
Whatever rules and regulations are there in NDMA. Our Honorable Honorable Commissioner is going to issue a circular, and even Police Commissioner has issued a circular in this regard. Whoever is found violating the rules and regulations on NDMA Act, they will be punished. They will be penalized.
Now, how will you identify the people who are caught spitting?
Whenever you come across, if somebody phones up, somebody sends a video, that will be verified. If you can catch hold of them, then definitely he will be penalized. There is no other way. We are just letting them go wayward.
Well, that is certainly a warning for all those who spit in public, throwing regulations to the wind. It's time we spread the word and not the virus. Deepak for News 9, Bengaluru.